approaching Dole Plantation. We'll soon be stopping at Dole Plantation, famous for its pineapple, a delicious fruit known worldwide for its sweet taste. Pineapple, or halakahiki in Hawaiian, means foreign fruit. The origin of the pineapple is believed to be in South America. It first arrived on the Big Island of Hawaii in 1527. In the early 1900s, James Drummond Dole achieved commercial success by transforming this sweet exotic fruit into an American household name by making it accessible through the then high-tech process of canning, and later purchasing the island of Lanai, where he developed 20,000 acres of farmland. Success of the pineapple industry, along with the sugarcane industry in Hawaii, demanded an influx of foreign immigrants, contracted as foreign laborers starting in the 1850s. These workers came from China, Japan, the Philippines. More than 20,000 acres were being farmed in the North Shore area, half of which was pineapple and the other sugarcane. Rising production costs and flat sugar prices contributed to the demise of the sugar industry and the eventual close of the last remaining sugar plantation on Oahu, the Waialua Sugar Company, in 1996. As for pineapple, Hawaii only produces about 2% of the world's pineapples. Dole Pineapple Company, Maui Gold, and some family farms still grow pineapple for fresh consumption.
Family, it does take 18 months. 18 months for one pineapple to reach its full maturity. 18 months is a year and a half. Now, if you are a teenager, you're not listening to your parents, you are a know-it-all, you're not acting correctly.
Sige. Hawakan mo na. Bibreak ko lang yung... Let's go.
Uy, está padre. Nomás primero abajo. A ver.
Sinabi ko ng bayo.
It's dirt, sir?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. They made from the oil.
One of